Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is Mike here, the FPV Eagle Monkey guys, and today I'm at the park and I am testing out a new battery that was sent to me. This is the GoldBat battery. So these are kind of a new battery company. I don't know how long they've been around. This is one of their new ones. It's a 1300 milliamp 100C battery. It's about the standard size of any normal 4S battery. It does come with the lead protector, which is nice, and then a standard XT60 connector. The only thing that I would suggest to the manufacturer is I don't like how long the lead is for the battery. It's a little bit longer. I'd like it to be a little bit shorter, to about right there. So if you cut off about an inch, maybe 2 inches off that, make it a little bit shorter. That's my only gripe about it. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to put it on my Freestyle and we're going to send it up and we're going to see how this new battery pack does. All right, guys, so that was the flight with the new GoldBat, and it did pretty good. Now, considering these are 2306, 2750 motors, so they have a high kV, so these batteries don't last very long. It did drop a little bit at the end, but feeling it, it's a little warm to the touch, but not bad. There's no puffiness or anything like that. And like I said, the only thing I don't like is that long lead. It kind of hangs out there. I wish it was a little bit shorter, like the Tattoo or the other battery that I did. But other than that, no complaints. It did really good. Had all the punch of a regular 4S battery with 100C. So it did really great. So if you're interested in checking that battery out, I'll put a link for you guys down below. I think you can find them on Amazon for right around less than 20 bucks, something like that. So they're not too bad. Good option for a little budget battery. But again, that is the GoldBat battery review. Hope you enjoyed the flight footage. Thanks for hanging out today, guys. Have an awesome day. I'll talk to you later.